Hello, it's Alicia with WTI, and I want to show you a snack that I have really been loving lately. This is Amazi Plantain Chips, and these are so delicious. So these are chili spiced, and they come in a couple other varieties as well, and they are awesome. So what I love about these is that they are gluten-free, grain-free. So this is a snack that fits into a lot of different diets, which is really nice, and more importantly, so delicious. So they're super crunchy. They have this really nice roasted, almost nutty flavor from the roasted plantains, and the little hit of chili makes them just really delicious and fun with a big pop of flavor, so you're gonna love them. I love to just eat them on their own, or I've also thrown them on top of a big salad to add a little bit of crunch and a little bit of kick. So lots of different options. You could eat these a lot of different ways or with a lot of different other foods. Even having them with dips like hummus or guacamole, something like that would be awesome. So here's what they look like. They're a really nice deep color and really, really crunchy, which I absolutely love in a snack. And so it just gives you that little bit of crunchy, salty that I'm always looking for in a snack. So these guys are super addictive. I think you're gonna love them. And that's my point of view.